Good morning. I absolutely love exploring terrain like this. These old pine forests with the lichen and the moss everywhere. The wind in the trees and the chill in the air. I just love it. It is so pretty. I feel like every corner I turn I might encounter a fox or a pine marten. These forests just seem so mystical to me. As much as I'd love to see a fox or pine marten today, that's not what I'm out here looking for. I'm out here today to work on my goal, my bird photography goal that I talked about a couple weeks ago in one of my videos. I'm out here today looking for gray jays, and this is just prime habitat for them. So let's keep going, see if we can find any. This is such a beautiful area. I love it. I've heard a couple gray jays off in the distance, and I've even seen a couple kind of fly from tree to tree. No pictures yet, but I know they're here in the area. Obviously, I've seen them and heard them. I mentioned earlier that this was prime gray jay habitat, and this is something that I've talked about in previous videos before, but anytime you're looking for a specific species, you need to know about their specific habitat, their specific needs. And it helps so much to know about their habits and behavior, all that stuff in order to find them. It helps that I've seen them in this area before. I know that's kind of cheating, but hey, to give me credit, I did all my research and checked this area out before I ever saw them here. So I've got that going for me at least, but I'm gonna keep going. I know they're here and they're close by too. I just gotta get some pictures. What a wonderful morning rather, I've had out with these gray jays. It's been so much fun to photograph them and see them. I even was able to photograph what I believe was a Clark's Nutcracker. Correct me if I'm wrong. Beautiful bird. It's my first time ever seeing one up close. I was able to get a couple pictures of him, and then he kind of realized I was there and flew off. But beautiful bird. Like I mentioned earlier, the main reason I came out here today, other than just getting out and enjoying nature, was to work on a goal that I had set this year. Improving my bird photography, expanding the species that I photographed, all that stuff, and it has just been wonderful out here. Just getting out and taking any chance you can to learn new habits, observe new species, practice your photography. I mean, that's why I'm out here, to try to learn, practice, and improve. And I think that's one of the most important things with wildlife photography, or anything really, is just get out as much as you can and learn, practice, and improve. That's photography right there. So, you know what, you guys, I've had a great time out here. Awesome wildlife, awesome area. It's been so much fun. Get out there, be safe, go out and practice, find something fun to photograph, and we'll see you on Sunday.